Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are unpacking Knitcrate. We are Monday the 4th of May and I have finally received my April package. And this month it is a package and it is due to what's happening nowadays. There we are. It's a package. It's a package. Yes, it is. So I am super excited about it. I have seen so many unboxing about this yarn and I can actually talk about it because I know a little bit about it and especially about the name and how it relates to how it is made, the yarn. So let's start, shall we? There we are. Here's the package. And where are my scissors? There they are. I call them my Knitcrate scissors because see, they match almost perfectly. See? There we are. And I really am excited about this month's package. Also because it is my month. Yes, it is. April is my birthday month. So I am super excited because this yarn is a wonder. I can't even find a word to describe this. This is one of the best yarns and it's during my birthday month. So do you know how excited I am? Yes, I really am. So let's do this. Let's open it up. So I know that this month we don't have a booklet like we usually do. It's a card. So it'll be interesting to look at that. Okay, I am struggling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and I'll be right back when the package is opened. Okay, so I am back and my package is opened and I really am super excited about this. Now I know there were a choice of 3 different colors and I know which one I want. Will I get it? Shall we find out? Shall we? But first I think I get the card out if I can have a feel for it. Yes, there it is. There's a card and there should be like a little extra. Oh, the yarn is soft. There's something. I'm feeling something, but I can't get to it. Oh, here we are, here we are. Okay. So, we have our card and it is luminous. April 2020, luminous. Yes. Okay, and there it says there's a coupon as well for 15% off. Fantastic. And yes, all the patterns are downloadable. So I'm not sure what patterns we can get this month, but I will be very interested. And in here there's pictures of all the lovely little extras that you can get without showing the coupon. Here are the little extras. And the one I got is Soak Fig. What is that? Oh, it's a modern care for the laundry you love. Okay, so it's like what would you call it? Oh, my color is doing a game again. It's like conditioner, is it? So I got this one. Fig. See? Fig. So I'll be interested to try that on my laundry. I might wash a few woolen things and see how it smells. Fig is an interesting one. Yeah. Okay, so now that we've done the card and we've done the little extra, I will do the yarn bit. Yes, and I am excited about this. So let's without further ado, get to it. This month the yarn feels thinner in the package. Doesn't feel as big as what it usually is. I wonder why. Maybe it is fingering weight. I know I've watched videos, but I don't remember if it's fingering weight or whatever. But yeah, okay. Oh, it's a beautiful color. It's beautiful. But I don't think that's the one I wanted. I still like it though. Yes, I do. It is Uru yarn, Sugared Sport by Knitcrate. Colorway is Lappy. I think it's how you say it, Lappy. Or Lappy? No, I'm just going to say Lappy because if you say the other way around, the other way, sounds like you're going to say something rude. So I'm just going to say Lappy. Okay, I will show you why. So it is 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. Sport weight. What does that mean then? What needle do you use for that? It doesn't say. Sport weight. Must be a DK. It feels like a 4-ply. Okay, I'm not sure. Anyway, so I will show you the name. This is the name. Focus! Not focusing at all. This is so annoying. Let me just do that 1 second. Okay, so I think I adjusted something to the camera. So let's see if it will focus for you now. There we go. Here is the name. Do you see what I mean? If you pronounce the S, it sounds like something rude. So let's not. Lappy. Okay, so the colorway is very lovely. Lappy. And so as I was saying, 10% stellina. Now, in Italian, stella means star, and stellina means little star. And I guess that this is referring to the material that's used in this yarn to make it shine. Because there it is. And look at all the shiny material. It is so shiny and beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. And I've got 2 skeins of this beautiful magical thing. Stellina. Now you can just about picture the sky full of little stars, right? Lots of little stars in the sky, lots of constellations and things. It's just exquisite. Look at this. Yes. Thank you, Knitcrate. I mean, it's not my favorite color. Thank you. This is perfect for my birthday month. Yes, it is. And I do need to find out what patterns we can work with, because at the moment I just haven't got a clue. There's no indication of what these things are, these patterns. So I will have to find out when I go on to the downloadable site. So I'm excited and look, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I'm really, really thrilled. So anyhow, there we are. Thank you, Knitcrate, and thank you everyone for watching. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone.